If a janitor earning minimum wage could become a millionaire, why can't you? This is one of the most incredible stories I've ever heard. It's about a janitor who became a multimillionaire. He didn't inherit wealth, win the lottery, or chase get-rich-quick schemes. He did it by learning the laws of wealth and how to make his money work for him. I'm Brian Hirsch. You might know me from SAFM Radio or You and Your Money on Business Day TV. For over 60 years, I've helped people just like you understand how money really works and how to build lasting wealth and financial freedom. So many people work incredibly hard, but just can't seem to ever get ahead financially. They live paycheck to paycheck, stress about money, and are unsure if they'll ever be able to retire comfortably. It's not your fault. The system was never built to make you wealthy. It was built to train obedient employees. No one ever taught you how to build assets, make money work for you, or how to create financial freedom. I've teamed up with Thriiver because we'd like to help change that. My mission has always been to empower others to take control of their financial future. I want to do the same for you because you deserve to be wealthy. I believe that absolutely anyone can become wealthy and create financial freedom, no matter how much they have to start. It isn't about luck or inheritance or earning a massive salary. It's about learning and applying the laws of wealth. Financial freedom means your assets generate enough income to cover all your lifestyle expenses, so you no longer have to work anymore unless you choose to. We've created a free financial freedom calculator to help you discover your financial freedom number. Click the link below to access it and calculate your number now. If a janitor could become a millionaire, imagine what's possible for you.